Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing Guess the Intro in Animal Jam. So I'm going to put random Animal Jam YouTubers intros on screen and you're going to have to guess what some of them are, like mostly all of them. But don't worry, I'll make it a bit easy for you. Some might get harder and some are easier. I hope you get them all correct. Tell me what you got in the comments. Okay guys, good luck. And remember, I will always show the answers after, and I'm actually really excited. Wait, did I just say actually? I mean actually. So I'm just gonna go check out this den a bit more, just so you know anyways. Okay? Alright, yeah. So anyways, I'll do a speed up after, like, I finish checking out the den. Okay, actually, okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna do a speed up.
There's a place called Kokomo. That's where.
This one was crafty season. Let me know if you got them all. Okay, bye guys.